Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodi, they send message to Esan people. He say Esan and Benin na one. Make I leave you, make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze.
I just want to send a clear message to the people of Esaland. A very important message. First, I want to commend you. Yes. For some time now, we have been seeing the social media space. People tend to whip up unnecessary sentiment. But the real sons and daughters of Esaland came out. They stood firmly in respect to the issues bedeviling Joker Boy. I saw a comment this morning. One guy, a post. One guy came online to write, "This is the time to stand up. This is the time to stand up." You need to see the response of the Esan people against that same Esan man. And I need to first of all thank Architect Mike Onolememe for coming out to apologize on behalf of Joker Boy. For those who are sincere enough, we know Joker Boy family. After the apology by the minister, the then minister, Joker Boy came out on the video to say, "I didn't send anybody to apologize on my behalf." And these same people in that comment section made reference to when Joker Boy insulted Chief Anthony Arakon Aneni. And it's a man at that. So first, if the actions of the Esan people continues like this, believe me, nobody can challenge them in respect to the next governorship election in Edo State. Nobody. Because they have been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that yes, we are one Edo. Even when some selected few wanted to raise unnecessary sentiment, they said no. No. Go and check their videos online. They all came out vehemently to condemn such action. We should be appealing to appropriate quarter to please allow Joker Boy to go. Not for some person to be saying, no, they say we are condemning. It's our right. No. The elder in Benin, the elder in Esaland, and the elder in Edo North are all elders and they are our fathers. They must be respected. Not to talk of about the traditional ruler. How on earth would I come out now to begin to insult the Enogi of Urumbi or the Okaji son of Esaland? If I does that and I does that under the name of I'm a Benin man, a Benin culture never taught us how to disrespect elders. So if I try that, I am doing that on my own. And anyone who supports me from the Benin extraction will be a bad person. He or she will be a bad person. So I want to commend the good people of Esaland. I just dey wake up. I did bed since so I did read the check activities. I said no, if I not come and talk this one, let me say I bad. It's not easy. You need to see the comments. What will be the name of that forum again? Let me check whether Urumi voice. See the way some people they talk. Say, don't say that. Don't say that. Any wise person will see what Joker Boy do. Yeah? There's no way, except that person not get a man, papa. He can't support. He can never forget about the tribalism that some persons want to bring into being. No. It is also true that we are all one in Edo. And the people of Esaland has displayed a true maturity. Do you know what it takes for a minister to come out to say, I beg, may they forgive me. We know say, boom, they're not good for anybody. We know that one. Yes. But that actions should not be tied to the entire Esan people, because the Esan people came out to condemn it. Some of us don't even need to talk again, because anyone who would talk, I only come commend them now. I know if you come talk, say this is how we're going to do this, what we're supposed to do. No, the reason is that appropriate quarters, the Esan people came out vehemently to condemn such action, and that is why they must as well earn our own respect for standing tall on the path of truth. For those who are not aware of history, forget the manipulated history that some persons are trying to play, or wrong narrative. Esan came from the palace. The people of Edo North came from the palace. The Benis came from the palace. Esan was a king, was a chief in palace. Go and check your history. So the Benin, we the Benin cannot just totally lay claim to say, now our own, not be now. It is all of us own. The tradition is for everybody. Forget the diversity in terms of tongue. Go to Igwebe today, you are in a Benin and they speak there. Which Esan language they want to speak when we not go here? Which Esan language they want to speak when we not go here? And which Benin want to speak with Esan man not go here? Or even when we school that type we do not. If they play music, you know, as in you off your own begin listen to that their music. You know as how cheap people business speak now. All those that don't know music, not your tradition. So we are one. I think we must continue to learn how to maintain this. Just recently, we had some discussions, and we begin to see reasons. Listen, governorship not really matter where you come. Wetin matter be say at the end of the day, can that person see everybody as one? That's the basic principle of leadership. The reason why Nigeria is having problem today is that the president refused to see Nigerians as one. It is the truth. The president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria have refused to see Nigerians as one. The same country is chasing Igbo here and there. Excuse me. The same country is chasing Igbo here and there. Nnamdi Kanu under incarceration. Gumi, that hopefully celebrate banditry, is moving freely in the streets. Nnamdi Kanu kill and die. Igbo catch and die. But Gumi, another band. We get evidence, pictures, and the rest. When a whole sitting governor will stand, bandit go go he go use my talk, bandit. Because the government wants to ban it. The government refused to call them terrorists. They now call them armed banditry. What are the agitation? Not until recently, it not be because of the banditry according to the federal government, because that is terrorism. We wouldn't have known that there are goats in Zamfara. These people have been exploiting the house in secret. But the oil in Niger Delta belongs to the whole Nigeria. If not because of banditry, we wouldn't have known that gold exists in Zamfara. They kept it. Then they eat on. When the sharing formula not come good, so come carry arm against others. Nigerians got to hear what they cause the arm. Now we know say gold issues there. When they don't exploit for years. All of us will celebrate say the federal government has passed the PI bill. Go and check it. Petroleum Industrial Bill. Go and check it. Go and look how many percent they go there side. That is not a PI bill for the South. That was not what we are looking for. That's not been what we are looking for. So the only panacea, in fact, there's some people you need to do more. You need to do more. Do you know what you need to do more? Where you need to do more is let us now continue to build on the existing actions that you guys have taken. Because some of us were thinking that the way this thing happened, we want to see the way they want it happen. Una shame us. Una shame us. More look what they want to, more you see. We were the expect say una want to do belly. Una make us the shame. For you, do you think it is easy to come out and stand tall, say the truth? More even forget the status or the respect accruing to the throne. Imajoka and minus the throne in itself. Can you Imajoka no about being a mate? Normal minus throne was okay as an ordinary individual. When you just come and say, hey, begin to, it's not clear. And thank God, no single man or woman support them. Forget say some few be one try they raise. Now say some class, come on. Bini say what I mean of one on and attack. You know, what you want to talk again? When it be say those people where they in charge of their town, they'll call them to others, they don't try that. So for now, with so much remaining, now this little thing will not do so. This little thing will not fit to can say small, but to some of us, it gives us reasons to say yes. When it's time for us to do what is right, we will do what is right to ensure that there is equitable distribution. No, when it comes to issue of power, equitable distribution. No group of persons should be relegated to the background. Democracy belongs to all of us. If you do not have the population to get it, let others add their population to yours to get it. It is very important for everyone to have a taste of it. It's important. You have convinced some of us beyond reasonable doubt. It is not easy. What you did, some of us may not be able to do it. So waiting we will not feel one person one will clap for her. It's not easy for you to stand straight. You know, Bena, when they come from your house, you suppose Bena, you not Bena, you stuck up as a being. At least you deserve commendation. You deserve it. And I enjoin all of us to continue to walk in peace, to continue to walk in love. If you want this state to be okay, just recently, they have launched Atanagba. They have launched Atanagba. I dread when I say, and we know so we get full security network in the state. We know the Vigilante Assembly inaugurated by the governor of Edo State, represented by the man in charge, Aruna. But that alone, you see the name Atanagba. At least this is a clear example of what we call leadership. Leadership. Not be gra. And I hope that by the power of God, because we are already giving up on the police, that's the truth. That's just the simple truth. We have given up on the police. So, as we speak today, we believe that with the collective synergy by the Atanagbas and those other vigilante groups in Edo State, in collaboration with the police, if they are willing, we can put an end to the security challenge in Auchi Road, Benin Auchi Road. Now, self, we can't see and say things self even they can. For Auchi, that I want to go school for Auchi. You cannot see if S-men do one or two. For Auchi town. Auchi town. Where boys they use hand pursue Ogun. Auchi town. We know when we dey school, they not be say we gentle, we learn to be gentle by force. You want go misbehave. Say you be for one S-man, you go keep it for bush. It happens while I was in school. I said the youth mobilize enter bush. That's all. Ask S-man, they know if stay or do not. Ask them, they know if stay. Now here, Edo South, they office stay. And some part of Edo Central, and now I believe Edo Central is waking up to responsibility. Ask yourself, have you ever seen them say one Fulani key somebody for Edo? You know if it. They know they know the go station. Although not, they're not a go station. I will know that one. We go school there. You know, if people misbehave, you will be student. When say you come for us, you misbehave. I say all through our time for school. Now only 2008. That from the history of the school. 9 confra killing DG for our Chipoli. Whether you be purple, you be us blood. After say they be indigent, now you go say Rama, don't tell bro say that when they come. All those one on their own, they go enter us. You not go understand. When it's set, at the end of the day, you not go yes, say man, when did you go? Now let 2008. 9 digit drop for our Chipuli. And the war not be small war then. I don't know about after 2008. That to tell you the level of unity of these people. But when I did school then, I get one of my very close friends now, they watch me for me and I get clash. Now you go to remove men con. The men will remove con. Benima follow them. There is about 4 Benin people will come. I mean they come, my boss say men don't block me because the thing, we get 1 or 2 issues we play. I see I say man, one of them say man, what did they saw? I say man, what did they saw? The next one they hear, hey man, I'm man. The guy not because me not resemble Benin no man. If you see my head now, you can make your one kind of like you know say me resemble Igbo guy in the way. I don't say when mommy go here to when you to theory, not the bottom. I will gree. Wow, okay, why do they make me now? When are you not use when me they don't speak because I hear when they speak me. When now you can begin reason because you matter what do you man you know my brother. It's me more well. Where ya wa ati wo do ye well. Even who gra yi na or wo form me time where you alone. Go and check Edo Central make you talk so. Confront boys for Edo Central. You don't ever see say the carry go for anyone for. When he said that time for you know wrong goes hide for a salon. Men go go there. Don't they see each other they don't they act. But for here in Edo South, men they carry gun, they find brother they go poke. You see that they say 1-0, 1-1, 2-1, 2-3. Now be saying that they can't ball now human being. On a daily basis, you continue to see reduction of manpower and capable personnel in the society. And the worst part of it, have you ever seen a confirmed madman where they go shoot? They know they shoot confirmed madman. They know they shoot confirmed beggar. We sit down and say, give me food. You must be a doctor. You must be an engineer. You must be a chemist, a medical student. You must be a great man in the society before they come to kill you because say they don't want make color A, color B, color C get great man. If they don't know say invariably, indirectly they are destroying the society. If you kill a doctor might be on ground and die. You have ended up killing over 2,000 persons. Would that doctor will treat all through his career? If you kill an automobile engineer, the possibility of making vehicle in Nigeria has been reduced. If you kill a nurse, even if doctor will give birth to your sons and daughter, certainly there will be no assistance from the nurse who will play a huge role. So when you are killing your great men, you are not, see, let me tell you the simple truth. One individual can better a society. One person. He go change narrative. That's why people they put hope on say we need a good government. We need a good president. We need a good governor. We need a good local government chairman. The reason is that this one person, if they are sincere, they can impact on the society. But what about if you kill your experts? You kill your experts and you are expecting development, you are wasting your time. It won't come. It won't come. If we are willing to say the truth as it is, those youth who are causing problem in Edo State are from the southern part of it. Not be say, oh, I'm talking to you based on experience. In fact, I never come up for Edo State like that. The highest place when I don't go na Ghana and Cotonou. Cotonou na motor carry me go, I go buy motor for person. That time we see the Ozu. So all those normal liberals, anything with money follow come and we pull it, take get trans. Now we take go buy motor come, carry come Nigeria. Come and the person deliver and they still give us our Ebuje. The other one na sometime in 2017, I be where me and my family come out, go stay. Yes, immediately after Governor Obaseki elections of the 2016 election, we come out, spend some few days in Ghana. Aside that, na this Benin I dey, na this Edo I dey. I don school here, I don stay here. In fact, you no get any street wey you wan make sure for this Edo State. Wey even if say I never reach there, even if say I no know the name, I don reach there. Where you wan talk for Edo North? Where you wan talk for Edo Central? I don spend more than 3 months for Igwebe. I dey stay there renters. I stay Igwebe. So where you wan tell me? Irua na 247. I dey Irua. Ekpoma. When we even dey school, when we dey find go dey hustle shenkers. Before we come serious for school, we dey from school move go look for shenkers for Ekpoma. We say no, me and Uchi Ofe we dey go look for shenkers for Ekpoma. So what you want to tell me? So with this experience, I will tell you, if we want to put an end to the, let's place our beam light and search light on our brothers in the south. And I thank God today. I still talk and I say, come. The reason why you dey hear say those say you don't know those south we no holding. You don't know them south we no holding. Those men they are the dead beneath. No. The real men wey suppose dey, many don travel, SARS pursue some. They can't enter abroad. So they all dey look way now, they laugh and say the time we dey town, who be all these children? Or the time we dey town, who know all this one? Mona you live there, Mona you live. Who are the things say maybe now we dey rain? No, now people you dey forgive you. For this town with this, people you dey forgive you. If they not forgive you, you will hear them immediately. People they will be say, where they dey for diaspora, they'll feel from there, activate, they'll beat you for Benin. They don't dey Benin, they don't even come out for Benin for like 15 years, 20 years. As you misbehave, they'll say, boy, now you know done too much. From where they did, they'll sit down, they'll send, they'll beat you for us. You're still shocked. So nobody don't pass. Who they beat? That's why people don't understand what people like come and they say, yeah, but man, we know the town we did. Now only fool go say, he don't know say men, they say now they be men. You say nobody, no people dey. When you want to know say people dey, now when they catch you, you not get where they go again, go and don't block, no movement. You can't know say people dey, but then not too late. Just try and make them not catch you. Live your life in peace. No assume follow the next man. Because even small pikin for street now, na terror. We need to be careful. So I want to say a very big thank you to the good people of Eastern. I don't want to rush make statements now, but with this, with what you have displayed, you have shown beyond reasonable doubt that the character traits to model a better society can be found in you. And I enjoin you to put your house in order. Not let quarrel be when you want to bring who you want may represent us. Be very gonna negotiate, may not create division. What you are fighting for will get to you in Jesus' name. Because this one self shock us. It shocked me. It shocked me, I'm not going to tell you that. So we need to work hard to build a better society. Let's work hard. You have done your own. We need to as well do our own. So I'm saying this to our brothers and sisters. No, let's remove our women for those are not they give us problem. That's the truth. Now we will be the men, including Sakolokodi, now will be the problem. Our women in those sides not giving us problem at all. At all. Now we will be the boys, the men, that be the problem. You go if you just see three people sit down, for them to dey talk say man, how far? How far? The way we are going to move this thing forward, we know it's doing the work. Let's try. They don't do like that. So you see this man, the way you sakolo hold it to the art, this boy, you go play am, man. What I do you before I waka pass? People like us now, if we go for stress, what would they do? You don't think say maybe all this one are evil. No, when I want we, that's what we tell you waka. But some men we also which one? That don't mean say we dey tell you say we be olele. No, we not be olele, but we know say if we say we not be olele, the next man said not be olele. So we fair run where people know say it be the run from them, it be the run from them, but you not gonna get where follow again. Now you wait, now make the issue set. Then when you dey go judge am, now people they tell you say with the way they see you, the way they do this boy, if they run from you. So if we do you shit, they will support us do you the more. Anywhere you carry and go, they get support base because we not first do you. We even dey run. You can't even show say you can't be like say we self weak. No, no. It is only a fool that will rush into. Let me tell you, I want to give you my personal experience. While I was doing my youth service in 2000 and I rounded up from school after many years, I spent good 7 years. For school, I supposed to spend 5 years. Good 7 years for school, I supposed to spend 5 years. I'll go youth service. When we just finish, so I finished, thank God. Then you immediately they just give me batch A. That whenever they get batch A string, this string there, now your batch A. Was it something March 12, if I'm not mistaken? And they take carry out. Now they give me my that they just supposed me go Kanu. I love Kanu. Karaye. We were in that the Karaye Kusala Dam. Yeah. The tea where they make for us that time was that I would say Kusala Dam. We enjoying youth service. So sweet in the camp. As we come out for camp, they come make us presiding officers in the elections of 2011. My brother, so we do election finish. This one don't make it fair. Say Jonathan win. Buhari already make statements wey incite the nation. Now be the copper nama. They find all coppers they go. So I want to tell you so where I stay. That's it go. As it reached the time, luckily for that day, I don't say women get power. Copper. They don't they kill some for power. They don't they kill coppers for power. She we they come now. Right? They don't defend us. And from where we dey Naibawa. Naibawa, yes. From there to Bukavu Barracks, where we need to go take seek hostage. That place very far. And this whole terror don't full street. Now they make me not to give all these people imagining money. Even say they let the pain and they give them cover. Because now them for the north, now they fight those fights. Not even the northern elite. Now those are marginal in the air. Now they don't. They're not they look back. Even if you give them food or kill you. I'm talking based on experience. Copper now. Now they are not saying women get power. Now one gets save us. They don't come near our house. They don't come near our house. and they know say na corpers lodge. Na so one girl take carry food. And I just show commandant wey dey inside camp, wey dey in charge of activities for camp. Na this girl carry for your corner. Hello. Okay, you want me to first kill me first before you come save me, abi? Okay. You want get another girlfriend, abi? No wahala, let me die. Ah no, where you now? He never even reach how many minutes. Army helicopter don dey our roof, the road now say thank God. The army helicopter now dey our roof. In the road, soldier man who come face our roof. They watch anybody wey wan near the roof. So when those terror see say army don dey grind copper roof, they come go break, they no fit advance again. They no fit advance. Na there infantry vehicle, infantry army just drive come with their healers. Na so we take run come out for that. Ah! Double up, double up, double up, double up, double up, double. Na so all of us double up. Hey, one. As we enter motor, one boy dey call Melensky. Na me dey give am, na me give am that name. I dey like, what Melensky? He say, man, oh God, make the babes dey first go now. Make we wey be men first stay first. That's it decrease. All of us will meet each other here. Nobody want make mama or papa cry. I must enter this idiot. As I went and I saw the man give me the slap. Bang! He said, go back. You know you your fellow copper. Don't I say, sir? My fellow copper is speaking for himself, not me. My fellow copper is speaking for himself, not me. I say, I prefer to die in your hands, sir, than to die for all these boys' hands. I want to enter this motor. As I near them, if you see the another load, the copper, the police, the soldier, not man say I be copper. He wear me another one again. That's your guy. The wear. I want to enter the motor. As he raise and want wear me again, now your guy say stop. Don't you know this young man have sense? Enter the car. Now enter motor. So I tell you so. I don't cry. Nothing. A soldier slap you. You know say police na your friend. The next thing, as they start motor, they move. Boom. Military vehicle don't come out for the roof. Now the Melensky start to use leg to pursue soldier motor. He go with the motor, enough enter motor again. He dey run. Those men they wait now, make soldier come and they continue. Now Melensky fall. Now tell us say try get up. With this motor they look up. Now he don't enter one police station. Those men enter police station, pursue police, burn everywhere. He run again. Now so he take fine wait. Those soldiers come got to look for two army drop. Wait, one day one junction, the other day one junction. Where you go to guide the team when they go drop us come back. When Melensky come inside Bukavu Barrack, he dey breathe. He say, man, if I see wetin you pass through, now say, now that thing I don't want me you pass through. Then I say, make you enter motor. You go the phone say, you be rugged man, you want defend. Now that's what you want defend for. Now so we continue do. I come do the deployment. I can't do the deployment. I can't go River State. On getting to River State, you get one guy. They call him Ejo Baba. Me can go to join the Ejo Baba. When me just pick up because what they do for town, now they do for town. You know, we just consider one change. All the copper level is the Ejo Baba, Ejo. Let me consider you see. Ejo Baba, the greater Ejo Baba. When we will see him, now fellow copper like us, he was the CLO. Ejo Baba, me sister, Ejo Baba. Me no know say where the hear na Ejo Baba na fear the fear na. He go can't me join it. Ejo Baba. Some of people me and they do use service here. They do your life. Nathan Iwema is watching me now. You know what I do. I had to come and we had the argue one day. We just do our normal discussion during this Gaddafi. This Ejo Baba your shoe. People you gather. You tap me say leave the road for me. Now say Ejo Baba. He say are you crazy? I said, Baba, no, cost me like that to give my beg. I don't like I can continue my discussion. I just Baba say you get crazy. Now say me, nah. I can't begin look everybody eyes really there. The eyes of everybody still see me. Ejo the oppressed. They can't even complain for their mercy. Oh, this one will only stick on. Nah, Ejo you see the do like this. So I say support B is there. Now I tell you Ejo say you will learn your thing. That was my last physical confrontation in 2011. So what do I mean? Why did I cite this example? If you not get support base for something, will not be poor hand. You just by yourself go do. You know say what you do not right. You just chop it. No. So the truth of the matter is very simple. The people of Esaland has been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt. I am not coming here to hail you. If you're not still doing well, we will still come and say, man, no, you deserve to be hailed. Excuse me. You deserve some accolade. That is the truth. For standing tall. You cannot expect, if you watch the video, the way that guy insults our monarch. Let me tell you something. It is our responsibility to protect the monarch from Edo North, the monarch from Edo Central, and the monarch from Edo South. Do you know why? Even if you identify that there are hiccups somewhere, you must protect it, because now you wey dey your town go talk say the juju wey dey your town not be anything. You wey dey your town na im go talk say juju wey dey your town not be anything. If you protect am, it's for your own good. It's for your own good. As we speak today, if we not build strong unity, we no get space for Nigeria. We never get space now, we know that one. Only one statement Night of Polo make. Minister run from Abuja, come meet them in respect to the formation of entities board. When minister reach where other citizens dey, presidents of each of these tribes, Ishekiri national president, Ijo Ijo president, this one president, that one president, they all came out to say, if what Topolo said, you people refuse to agree to it, we may not be able to guarantee the security of oil workers in the region. Federal government immediately swung into action. I want to ask you, you that is from Edo State, who were your representative? Who represents you there? Not be every place governors they go. That one that government want to interact with the people. Who and who is your leader today? Tell me. The one will be your leader. Now you will say go by yourself, kill and scatter. Then when he even come and want talk for public, you know guilty you want to say shut up. What do you want to talk? You and your people don't you what do you have to say? What do you have to say? So for now, all that if peradventure the federal government not approve and begin to give out, you that is from Edo State will say, you see, they are marginalizing them. They didn't give out. When they were fighting for this whole issue, where were you? Where you do you even have a representative? Anybody who went there as an individual. Everybody who went there as an individual. Who and who improve and who be the leader? We don't have. Now, this unity, let me tell you something. Scapegoating must come for people to know whether we are one or not. Not be mad to the talker. Joker Boy came out publicly to insult the Benin Muna. Before Benin people start to talk, some people don't already use KB floor now. Before Benin people start to talk, some people don't already the flog am. And a respected personality from the ESA extraction, we're supposed to pretend saying no watch the video, came out to apologize on his behalf. No other person than architect Mike Onolimim. He came out to apologize. This same young man come and say, I did not send anybody to apologize. You see, the truth of the matter is very simple. In life, able-bodied men are men who dies in war while hero lives to tell his story. He go tell you, say, man, you know what they play? 1992 war for Uniben, 2003 war for Ekuba, 2005 war for this. He did all the war. The pastor says, check. New boys like the ask and say, check. What it make all these people, you see your play, you gain level, check. So you see all this time. You go say, man, oh God. You get one guy, what do they call Melanie? Melanie for 2003. Melanie, he killed the one where they come from a car. He killed the one where they come from Udo. He killed the one where they come from Lagos. That's it. Then he dread down around Melanie. Both them, then when they enter, and Melanie take fall up. The young boys will come and say, Che, where the Melanie now? Go say, oh! 2005. Things play. Now the Melanie show more discharge. Melanie say, no, you know, we won't get it, see other one down. Before the year, now they all give Melanie your for your go down. The one that say, how you confident so bad that? Go say, now somebody remove me, say, more enter from the other side, I like base. But he's living to tell the story. Where is Melanie? Able-bodied man. He died. So in my joke, I cannot use the brain. Because you hear no sense on social media. You use yourself turn to scapegoat. You turn yourself to scapegoat. This is that way this is so. Even word will come out from your mouth. You need to calculate and first before you talk. Now you come and say, boom. You're the speech word. Nobody is perfect. Now wait till they hear from your mouth until they judge you. The judge will tell you for court, say, with the evidence before me, you might be saying the truth, but you don't have evidence to back your truth. You go to prison. Judge want to judge you because he will say, with the evidence before me. With the evidence before me. So, I beg you, let us now use this as an opportunity to restraighten and to redefine our collective unity. Any individual will come and preach this unity. Yes, as an individual, at times we dey get, we be human being. Screwdriver says say they come off for person here sometimes. You say, I don't like. But don't let it become a total culture in your heart that it must be like this. No. It is also true that in life, no man, especially from Edo State, no man go gree me on that man carry am put for head. Go out. That man ready to die than to allow am. We know. But we're supposed to know areas and areas. The monarchical system in Benin is more than 1,000 years. It is more than 1,000 years. The Igwe festival celebration is more than 800 years. The monarchical system in Benin, in Edo, that of the Britain, forget the fact that they are part of the global power. They cannot say that they are older than us in the monarchical system. This is the place where the king is truly a king. If an Enodie is coming from Edo State, is traveling abroad, he will be respected. Because the culture is here. I went to Edo Central to carry a survey for one of my brother who just commented not quite long. On getting to Edo Central, na survey I go do. You need to see the palmy. You need to see the bush meat. I don't tell you like outside that bush meat when I eat for Edo Central. I never eat bush meat for a long period of time before I can see bush meat eat there. You need to see the hospitality. So if I can go there, feel relaxed, and then when you look back, say, hey, me when they do live video at times, and you know, sure, see this. That alone is enough for us to continue to foster unity. So let us not come out here on this media space to begin to divide ourselves. If somebody does the same in Edo South against the traditional institution in Edo Central, in Edo North, we will be the one to first of all act against such person. The same way our Eastern brother acted against a defiant character. So we commend you all and let us continue to walk in unity. The Oba is my Oba. It is your Oba. I can Enogi of Enojurumi or Kaiji-san cannot come out somewhere now. I am sitting on a seat. He comes in, I will say, I may go look for another chair. For what? For what? I'm not going to get up, I will jump, get up. Let's add more respect to these institutions. Although we know imperfection is coming out seriously from that perspective, most especially in the area of land grabbing. Yes. But on nowhere bonoremi I know. So we commend you all. And when we say land grabbing, coming from that perspective, let me explain. It is true that some elements in the palace are aiding land grabbing, of which the Oba is not aware. And I've told you before, if you want to send message to the Oba, it's either you go to the newspaper to write, the Oba will get it, or you send a DHL message to him. Even that DHL sef, I don't really know again because before you can't bust this package, e dey go in hand direct. Say you wan go follow that gate submit am, they'll stop am for road. Baba no see am. Baba no go see am. Or you use the social media handle like this, talk, Baba go hear you. Say you wan go all those normal letter, you go give them for there. They'll your block am for road. All they wanted is to be collecting land from various communities. You know, plot to worry me, we'll talk saying so it be. You know, plot to worry me. That's what they do. But we not allow anybody spoil our culture. So whenever you notice any of those injustices, cry out, we'll help you blow on. Baba go here. If you just notice and say that they bend your matter, cry out, we'll help you blow on quick. Baba go here. Baba will call and say, did I send you that? He will strip them of their traditional rights. You cannot wear traditional shirt and big, coins and take tongue to monster where they oppress people for street. We not agree. That's the truth. We are Benin's. It's our right. We are those. It's our right. So this is the message this morning. Some people, thank you. Continue to walk on the path of peace. Let love lead. It's me, your brother, your friend. Come, stand yourself. Bye for now.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.